guys, today we went for shopping but wasn't good. Looking around, not buying anything. So I am here and this is my favorite shopping center and my favorite shop is the toy shop. But today I am not buying a toy because I bought one yesterday. But I am not sad. I am happy because my dad is going to buy me a dress and I'm so excited what picture is gonna be the dress. So I am just looking around and walking. So I am looking what things I'm gonna buy. So I'm not sure yet, but I'm looking what to buy. Now we ended up in a park. Here is the park. Beautiful trees filled with flowers. Very colorful as well. This is a big park. If you feel boring, then you can come to this park. I am happy and excited and I am very excited for the water park and I will share with you until the video goes in the end. This park have beautiful water play park. Especially interesting is the water playground. Various items to play. Different fountain, small cup drop, big cup drop, water hollows, watery leaves. We are having a great time here. Lots of fun. With a sunny weather and beautiful day.
I'm not even finished.
watching my video. Bye.